Most people find surgery to be a little scary.
24-hour News 8's Dick Wolfsey talked to a young woman who was awake during the entire process.
Talia Clayton watches her 5-hour brain surgery.
Obviously, I'm asleep at this point.
You're not asleep. You're going to open your eyes in 1 second.
I am?
After months of mini seizures, a diagnosis.
It's a large tumor. And that's the point at which I realized something had to be done.
Neurosurgeon Dr. Aaron Cohen reflects on his role.
So when you give them the bad news, they can understand it's coming from a source that knows them well and knows how to give it to them.
From Talia, a human response.
Why did it have to be a brain tumor? Why did it have to be a cancerous brain tumor? But ultimately, you work through that.
Then more news.
But I need to avoid the parts of your brain that control these functions, and the only way to do that is have you use the function. And he said for that you have to be awake.
Important is the honesty between patient and physician.
And he was very straightforward about everything he was planning to do, the entire surgery. So I was very confident that things would go well.
Memory of the surgery is vague.
Dr. Cohen had told me that he needed me to be very alert and to concentrate on all that I was asked to do. And so I remember being very focused.
Afterwards, Dr. Cohen told her,
"You did it, you did so great." And I said, thank you.
His passion and commitment, so crucial.
And I look at the operating room as a temple. And before every surgery, especially the difficult ones, there is a moment of meditation before we start.
A second chance at life means a second look.
You know, sometimes these terrible, tragic things that happen to us, they bring out the best in the people around us. And they help us to realize how important those people are.
This was a team, a woman with courage and faith, and a man with an almost spiritual mission.
I don't do surgery as work. This is my passion. And I hardly have come ever to work in my life.
I'm Dick Wolfsey for 24 Hour News 8.
And Talia is a social worker for Clarion Health. She says her experience will make her even more sensitive to the needs of others.